The conversations you have sometimes with people and they look at you and you have a bike and they just walk up and they're like, oh, hey, what's that? I should have turned the camera on, but I didn't. Just fucking stupid, dude. The guy, so I just got coffee. I'm leaving the Dunkin' Donuts. And this guy walks up and he's like, he gets out of his car right to do it, and it's like, oh yeah, here comes the awkward conversation with some. He walks up and he's like, what the fuck is that? Like, yeah, this is about to be a good conversation. I'm like, oh, you know, it's a Yamaha. And he goes, well, I never got much into those crotch rocket things. And it's like, okay, where are you going? It's not a fucking stop. Don't fucking stop in the middle of the fucking roundabout. But everyone does it because they're all fucking retarded. Anyways, so you know, never got much into those fucking crotch rockets, and I was like, yeah, whatever, you know. And he keeps going on. He's like, oh, I used to ride a Triumph 750 Bonneville. I can keep up with you on that thing. And it's like, okay, whatever. You know, maybe I fuck if I know. And he keeps talking, blah 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 blah, ramble. You know, missing all his front teeth, normal shit. And he's like, yeah, you know, my buddy, blah blah, something about a toolbox that he cut. I stopped listening, and he was like, oh yeah, you know, for whatever reason he had to tell me about his buddy's toolbox that he cut open. And then he's like, oh yeah, you had a Suzuki 125. You know, I replaced the clutch in it, and the next day I was ripping wheelies in every gear. And I was like, okay, well, sure, I guess. Like, like, whatever, I highly doubt you're wheeling in 6th or 5th gear, or whatever the dirt bike would have. Oh, I bet you I could keep you, I probably could keep up with you on that, on the Suzuki with that thing. And I was like, he has no idea what this bike is, no fucking clue if it's like a 250 or a fucking 1000, and he's talking about like a Suzuki 125 is going to keep up with it. It's like, whatever, man. It's just shit like that happens, and you're just like, god damn it. I knew it too. Right when I was walking out to my bike, he got out of his car and he like started walking over, and I was like, fuck, I'm gonna have this awkward conversation. Just leave me the fuck alone.